Become an urban explorer. Let's look at some transport tips which will get you going in the right direction when you're visiting London. The hop-on, hop-off bus tours are famous in London, and for good reason. They cover all the major sightseeing landmarks like Buckingham Palace and the Tower of London. Bike tours are becoming more and more popular and are an excellent way to get off the beaten track. If you want to take things at your own pace, then try one of the many walking tours available. Whether you're into food, history, art, or architecture, you should find the perfect tour for you. You don't have to stay on land to see the city. If you're feeling a bit more adventurous, try a cruise on the River Thames. With regular departures from piers all along the river, you can enjoy seeing famous sights such as St. Paul's Cathedral and Shakespeare's Globe Theatre. Perhaps you're looking for a completely different way to see the city. Cross the Thames by cable car from Greenwich Peninsula to Royal Victoria Dock. At a height of 90 metres, the 10-minute journey offers views right across the city, so don't forget to take your camera. You can also take a helicopter tour. The panoramic views from 1,000 feet up in the air are spectacular. Which type of transport do you want to use while being an urban explorer in London?